guys, we're back to In the Kitchen with Meg, and today for Easter I will be making cheesy potatoes. And shout out to my friend Emma and her mom too, because this is their recipe and they make it every year for my grandma's Christmas party. First thing that I will pour into the bowl is the most important ingredient of cheesy potatoes is the potatoes. We use thawed diced potatoes, so I'm going to pour them here. And we do a whole thing of sour cream, so we're going to pour that in. The next ingredient is half of diced onion, so I'm going to pour that in. The next is a full bag of cheddar cheese. And the last ingredient is a cup of warm butter. And then we mix it all together. Kind of hard to mix because those potatoes are in there at the bottom. Okay, I think I finished up mixing, and now I'm going to put it in a big casserole dish. Just really it into the casserole dish. Part is to top it off with some breadcrumbs until the whole thing is covered. Now I'm going to put it in the oven for 350 degrees for an hour. And that will cook, see you in an hour. I just pulled it out of the oven. It looks great. I can't wait to eat it. And happy Easter, everybody. Bye. Hope you enjoyed watching this video.